Hello everybody, this is Carol Designs and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you on how to remove backgrounds from images, from every image. Okay, so if you like this video, kindly subscribe to this video, leave your questions in the comment section, kindly like this video and share this video across to any graphic designer or upcoming graphic designer that you think this video will be helpful to. So let's get started. So let's import our image. Okay, and this is one of the fastest ways you can import image. Okay, as a designer you just have to be quick in whatever you do. So you click and hold, then you leave it over here. Okay, or you can just click and hold. Okay, so let's just focus on what we are doing for now. So let's increase this, then afterwards you correct it over here. Okay, so you come to properties over here, then you scroll it down, you see convert layers, click on convert layers. Yes, then you come back to properties and you see remove background, and I made the main background color black so that you can see the difference. Okay, because the background of the lady is white, so it may make it look difficult to see the difference. So we are waiting for it to load to remove the background. So let's wait for some seconds and it's going to do the job for you. So there you go. So you can see that your background has been removed. Okay, so you realize that the pen that she was holding is no more there. You realize that the pen that she was holding is not there. So let's try and bring the pen back. Okay, so let's correct this first. So let's try and bring the pen back. You go to select and max. Okay, so with this plus sign, you choose the circle with this plus sign. Plus sign adds on to the picture. The minus sign removes any excess from the picture. Okay, so we are choosing plus because we want to bring back something which was lost from the picture. Okay, so let's just click around this side and wait for it to load and see what happens. My PC is a little bit slow, so let's wait. Okay, so you can see that it has brought back the pen. Okay, so when you also want to remove this excess from it, you just have to click on the minus sign, then you take your time, then remove all those excess. Okay, so we don't have time for that, but I've shown you how you can do that. Okay, so if you want to add on, you just did what I did. You want to remove excess from the edges, you just have to use the minus sign, and you want to refine the edges. Okay, you can realize that the edges are not smooth. You want to refine the edges. Let me zoom in. You realize that the edges are not smooth. Okay, the edges are not smooth. So if you want to refine the edges, you can also choose refine edges. Okay, then you wait for it to load. Yes, so that is what you do. It's a little time consuming too, but if you know what you want, you just have to take your time and do it. But for now, I'm just showing you how it's done so that you can have more time to do it. Okay, so, and yeah, I almost forgot to make sure your transparency is 100%. Okay, make sure your transparency is 100%. so that you can see the difference. So you saw that when I brought it at 0%, it has brought back the original background of the lead. Okay, so when you bring it to 100%, it makes it more transparent so that you can work on whatever that you are doing. So when you are done with whatever you are doing, just click OK, then it's going to correct whatever you are doing for you. So this is the first way to remove background. Let's go back, undo. Okay, so another way you can remove the background is to, when you come to select, then you come to object selection. Okay, object selection, then you select the whole object, then you wait for it to load to select the object for you. There you go. So you see that your object has been selected. Okay, so um you would want to remove this excess selection. Okay, so let's just use our quick selection, and then you see that it's a plus. Okay, so you click on the minus rather, and you can activate the minus by pressing and holding the alt key. Okay, but for now let's just click here for the minus. Minus removes anything. Okay, so let's remove this. Oh, this is not what we want, so we want it to come to the edge. So let's go back and click our plus, and then just click around here for it to go back. Okay, so this is what we want. Okay, so let's remove the background. Let's try remove background. Okay, this will discard. Do you want to continue? Yes. There you go. So you can see that your background has been removed. So let's go back. You can also rasterize the layer. When you rasterize the layer, you make it more editable. It has been rasterized already. Then you just cut it out. Okay, when you cut it out, then you press Ctrl V to paste it. Okay, then you delete this layer. Okay, so you have your your background over here. So this is another way that you can do it. So far I've shown you about 3 or 4 ways you can do it. Yes, so another way, another way you can also remove your background is you can just use your quick selection, then manually select everything yourself. Okay, manually select everything yourself like what I'm doing. Then when you are done, you just use the previous method I showed you. Either you Control X, you cut it out, then afterwards you paste, then you delete the layer below, or you can just click on remove background to do the work for you. Okay, so whichever way works for you. So let's one of the simplest way to let AI do it for you. Okay, and that is it's a website called remove.bgn. remove.bgn. So that is what I've been using most of the time, because I don't have time. Mostly I use remove background and it does the work, but sometimes when it doesn't do a perfect work, I just come to remove.bgn. Okay, so let me just so you come to Google and search remove.bgn. so you can see this remove background. So you click on this, then there you go. This is an AI website which helps you to remove backgrounds of any image. Okay, so let's upload our image. You can just drag and drop. So let's drag and drop, which is much. So you just wait for AI to do it for you. There's no stress. And there you go. AI just did the work for you. This is the most simple way, to remove backgrounds. Okay, so let's so you can also, if you realize that the AI didn't do a perfect job, maybe you want to remove some parts, the AI didn't remove some parts, or the AI removed some parts and you want to bring it back, you can just edit it. Okay, so when you edit it, so you can either erase or restore. Maybe when you realize that the AI didn't, let's say you don't want the pencil to be here, so let's decrease the brush size. You don't want the pencil to be there, you just have to erase where the pencil is and you wait for the AI to do the magic for you. There you go. You see that the pencil was removed. So let's say you want to restore the pen back. Let's say you want to restore the pen back, so you just have to erase that same area, then the pen will be restored. This is how it works. This is how it works. But you realize that because you restored the pen, it also restored the background for you. Do you get it? It also restored the background. So I think that what you have to do is to download the image and remove the background again to remove this excess, or you can better still manually take your time and then brush around the pen so that it will just remove the white edges for you. So I would advise you to always use AI. It's going to make your work simpler. So this is the website I mostly use to remove post backgrounds. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Kindly like, subscribe, share this video, and leave your comments, leave your questions in the comment section. Bye.